Nakalaya na ang veteran actor na si Ricardo Cepeda matapos ang halos isang taong pagkakakulong. Kaya naman narito ang caption na binahagi sa atin ng aktres si Nadia Montenegro sa kanyang Instagram account. Release form signed. Finally, an innocent man is free. Praise you, Lord. My brother Rick, for almost 1 year, you patiently fought your battles in court and endured jail time hundreds of miles away from home. One by one you faced them knowing you did nothing wrong. Praise you, Lord, for your faithfulness. Rick, you have always been a kind, decent, respectful, and respected human being. This was just a phase you had to go through that only our faith will allow us to surpass and understand. And you did. We all know you are innocent and proven. Can't wait for your homecoming, Rick. This is a celebration of your life. A new chapter ahead. We love you, Rick. You are free. To God be the glory. Thank you, Marina Benipayo, for the photos and updates. Ito naman ang partner o asawa ni Rick na si Marina Benipayo na kung saan nagbahagi na rin siya ng TikTok video na on our way home na nga daw sila ni Ricardo Cepeda. Masayang-masaya tayo dahil finally nakalaya na at innocent nga ang aktor na si Ricardo Cepeda. Napakahirap nito lalo na sa pamilya niya ang mangyari ang ganitong mga problema, pero ito na nga ang solusyon at nasagot na nga ang dasal at panalangin nila sa may kapal na finally nakalaya na siya.